What's going on? So today we got a video from Blue Watch, and then the title of the video is "Man Attracts Police Attention on the Street, Expects Not to Be Pulled Over." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
On January 8, 2024, an officer conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle for various non-moving violations in Oak Lawn, Illinois. These violations included driving without front and rear license plates, illegal headlights, and illegal window tints.
That's a traffic stop. Turn the car.
I don't care. What you stopping me for? Because I don't got no plate.
You got a plate?
I just bought the car.
Tints are illegal.
Okay, it don't matter.
It does.
Move out the way.
Turn off your car. Turn off your car. Stay right there. Turn off your car.
I'm not finna turn it. What do you want?
This is a traffic stop. Turn off your car.
And my motherfucking car overheating.
I see that. You got your driver's license, insurance, please.
Yeah. What do you want, bro?
This is a traffic stop. I'm pulling you over for your tints.
I don't know, bro. I'm on 95th and I'm on 87th and what is this?
Can I have your driver's license, please?
I'm on 87th and Cicero.
Can I have your driver's license, please?
My motherfucking car overheating.
Okay. Can I have your driver's license, please?
Here, what station you in? Don't stop. Don't open my motherfucking door.
Take your hand out of your pocket and give me your driver's license.
Here.
Door stays open.
Yeah, hurry up. I'm on 95th and what? What is this? Hurry up and do what you finna do.
Central 311. Can I get another unit, please? I also got a file for you.
She talking about, I'm on my way. What you gonna do? Absolutely nothing but hooting and holler. Oh my God, police brutality. That's all you gonna, that's it. Never accountability for your tints, okay? I remember years ago, I mean, cops don't really pull you over too much for tints anymore or whatever. It's really, if you're doing something else, they gonna tackle that on there. But I remember years ago, I used to get pulled over for tints all the time because that's me. I was just talking to somebody today, like, listen, I can't drive in no car with no tint, no privacy, no nothing. It's not necessarily that you're doing anything bad or anything, but it's just when somebody can look directly in your car like that, that's just, oh, man. But anyway, like I was saying, I used to get pulled over for tints and stuff like that all the time or whatever. It's not a big deal. It's like a $150 fine, or you could get the tint removed. I mean, I don't get it removed. I just pay the fine or whatever. But you know, it is what it is, bro. It's a simple ticket. Like, all of this is for no reason, you know, unless there's something wrong with your license.
Yeah, these motherfuckers always fucking with me. Always.
Do you have insurance?
Accountability.
Yeah, I got insurance.
Can I see it, please?
Yeah, they steady fucking with me.
No accountability.
10-4.
I don't know. He ain't following me for shit. I was on 87th Central. This motherfucker ain't go past where he's supposed to go past.
Do you have insurance, sir?
Yeah, I got insurance. I told you I had insurance.
Can I see it? I'm asking you to see it. You're not
I'm
producing
finna pull that for you right now.
Okay. Well, if you answer me, I don't have to keep asking the
Okay,
question.
man, don't ask me no more. There you go, right there. Here, don't grab my phone. Look at it.
I can't see it.
Okay, it don't matter. Look at it. You can see it right here.
Okay.
Look at it. Don't grab my phone.
I'll just write you a ticket.
No, you're not gonna write me shit. Here, look at it.
Stay inside the car.
Look at it. You're not gonna write me shit. Give me my motherfucking phone. You're not gonna write me shit.
This isn't to this car.
Yes, the fuck it is. I got SR 22.
Yeah, but that's not.
It don't matter. I got SR 22. Go right your bitch ass ticket.
Okay.
Write your bitch ass ticket. Fuck that. What's your badge number?
Keep the car off.
What's your badge number?
Keep the car off. Don't move the car.
What's your badge number?
That's a lawful order, by the way. Don't move the car.
Okay. What's your badge number?
It'll be on the ticket. It will be. Nice and big for you.
I like this guy. Oh, shoot.
Stay in the car, man.
You said what?
Stay in the car.
What are you doing?
I'm writing you tickets. You're
For
staying
what?
in the
What
car.
are you writing me tickets for?
I'll explain to you when I give them to you. Get in the car.
Give me my license.
Get in the car. You're about to be arrested.
I'm about to be arrested for what?
Obstructing, and I'm going to tow your car.
Obstructing for what?
You're disobeying a lawful order. Stay in the car.
Bro, I'm not disobeying shit.
Did I just give you a lawful order?
You ain't give me a lawful shit.
Stay in the car.
Hold on. Let me hold on.
Sure.
Hold on.
What can I do for you? You're prolonging the traffic stop because while I'm out here talking with you, I can't write the ticket.
Hurry the fuck up and write my ticket so I can go.
Then stay in the car.
My car finna fucking overheat. Let me the fuck go. Hurry up.
Then stay in the car.
I'll be damned somebody talk to me like that. Crazy as hell. I'm locking him up.
This punk ass don't got shit going on. Hurry the fuck up.
He's a little upset.
Yeah, it's all right.
So, I've already told him don't move his car. If he moves his car, he's being arrested because he was trying to tell them to move and back his car up. I told him if he gets out of his car again, he's being arrested because I've already given him a lawful order to stay inside the car. He's getting more angry because I'm not, so... He probably would have taken off on me if his car wasn't overheating.
All of his windows tinted?
Oh, very much so. He's got no plates on the car either.
Second?
He's got no plates on the car.
Oh, really? Did you get a VIN?
I haven't had a chance. If you guys want to go up there and grab one for me, I'd appreciate it.
Hey, sir. Do you have any registration for the vehicle?
You said what?
Do you have any registration for the vehicle?
I just bought it the other day. He already know that.
Okay. Can you unblock your VIN?
Okay, you can see that. You see that dead ass frog right there? Can I unbuck a dead ass frog?
You can move it if you want.
I can't move that.
Okay, can you open your door so I can see the VIN on the door?
Go ahead. That's all you finna see is my VIN.
Is it on this side or
No,
is
it's
it on
right
this side?
there. It's right there.
Oh, look at that. Perfect. Central 312 and VIN. 1 George Rob. We might have to get that again because the dispatcher doesn't always hear everything.
Okay, well, get it again.
What state did you purchase it from?
Indiana.
Indiana? Okay. Let me make sure that they get it. Central 312. You try that at Indiana. If it doesn't come back, we'll meet all 50. All right, we'll come back up to you in a minute.
He was on the phone with somebody telling him.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second, but first I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
He was on the phone with somebody telling him where he was at, so
Okay.
someone else might be showing up. I don't know.
21, I'm getting her back down to Indiana, down to Rochester, or Brown, Aurora.
10-4, can you send that to 311's box? A tan Aurora? Yeah, what do you know?
820, abandoned vehicle, 9708 Cohorn.
820. Sir, stop the vehicle!
You cook.
Abandoned vehicle, G.
Sir, stop the vehicle!
Cohorn, the resident DBC with Hudson's back.
Okay. Step out! Step out of the vehicle, sir! Hang on, Liam. You're under arrest! Step out of the vehicle, sir!
I'm not going
Step out of the vehicle! Put your hands on top of your head!
I'm not going nowhere. I'm just going right here.
Nope, I told you not to move the car, and I told you not to get out of the car. And you did all of those things.
Bro, what are you talking about, bro? Tatiana, where's you at?
Everything I just told you. I told you multiple
You ain't
times.
that, bro.
Good
I'm
thing
not going nowhere.
We're gonna save your battery here, okay?
No, don't turn my phone off.
Yeah, let's get.
For our safety and yours, we gotta shut it off.
All right.
Right back here.
Come on, let's go this way.
Can't follow
I'm not sure why you wanted to escalate
instructions.
this
What are you
situation.
talking about? I'm not escalating nothing.
Sure, you're the only one out here.
I just told you what I'm doing.
You're the only one out here screaming, sir. Are the keys still in the car, sir?
They on my hood.
They're in your hood?
Yeah. Okay. So what are you doing? Don't put me in that car. What are you doing?
Well, you're under arrest and we're
I'm
towing
under
your
arrest
car.
for what?
Disobeying a lawful order. The thing I told you were going to be arrested for if you moved the car, you stepped out of the car.
I just put the car right there.
Which I told you not to do.
Let me talk to you.
No,
Stop. I'm finna talk to you.
Well, you
let
can
me talk to you.
You can talk sitting down.
Okay, let me talk to you.
Sure.
Let me talk to you. 345. Let me talk to you.
Absolutely. What's up?
Okay, stop. Go move.
No. He's going to buck you in. I'm not going to close the door, though.
This is policy. Just let me talk to you.
Sure.
Come here.
I'm right here.
Okay, come here.
I'm right here, man.
All
What's
right,
up?
come here. Stop. Come here. Just come here.
I'm right here.
Just come here.
I'm right here.
No.
You and I can talk.
Okay, can we
my
talk?
body
No.
cam is
all right
here.
Listen, I have to go get my kids from school. Can you please just write my ticket so I can go home,
Okay.
please?
We are well past that.
We not past nothing.
Oh yeah, we are. You've done nothing but scream and yell at me this entire time.
Nothing. Okay. All right, stop.
I gave you multiple commands not to do things that you kept doing.
Just stop.
I warned you multiple times, man.
Stop. 345. Can you please? Are you a sergeant?
I am not.
You are not.
No.
Can you please just write my ticket so I can go, please?
Yeah, I'll write him at the station. Watch your.
No, stop.
Rashawn was hit with a misdemeanor count of obstructing an officer, as well as citations for driving.
He said he gonna write it at the. He said he gonna write it at the station and shut the door in his face. Oh God. Yo, that's the calmest he's been talking the whole time, bruh. Yo, he yelling, da-da-da, this and that. He said, sure, I'll write it at the station and shut the door in his face. Oh, my God. That's so funny.
Go, please.
Yeah, I'll write him at the station. Watch your.
No, stop.
Rashawn was hit with a misdemeanor count of obstructing an officer, as well as citations for driving without insurance, no valid registration, no front or rear license plates, illegal tints, and illegal headlights.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.